Okay, so we're going to be using the DPH LMB, and we're using the XR-3 meter. We're going to go into system, go up to service, switch it over to dish network, and this is Western Arc DPH 1000.2. Same thing for your LMB, and done. Turn your LMB on. Okay. After you have your system stuff inputted, you can go here on the bottom left hand corner. It says AZ-EL, which is azimuth and elevation. You can input your zip code and it'll tell you what your latitude and longitude are, but then it also tells you what your azimuth should be, your elevation, and then your skew. So if you don't know the information off the top of your head, the meter itself will tell you. This is what it's going to look like on the meter when you're trying to tune in your dish. Right now we have our skew set and we have our elevation set to the right numbers. So we're going to change our azimuth to get a better signal. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to grab the dish by the side of it to turn it. You're going to want to grab it down here by the arm. And you're going to want to turn it until you get a better signal, which will be roughly right there. And obviously if I keep going, you're going to watch those numbers redrop. So let's put it back. There. Once you have a pretty good signal, you're just going to tighten up all of your nuts that are going to change your azimuth. Okay, now if I move the top of my arm up or down and I watch what that's doing on the meter here, so if I lift up on it, it's giving me a better number. So I might actually change the elevation here. Make sure you grab your arm once you loosen it, because otherwise it will just fall on you. That might be too far. Let's come back down a little bit. I think right there is going to be the best that we can, so just retighten everything up. 119 West on LNB1. We're going to do an ID check. That is verified. Okay. Switch it over to LNB2, which is your 110. Same thing, do an ID check. That is also verified. Okay. You're good to go ahead and plug it into your system.